Okay, so here we are for the long awaited pizza stone on the Safari Chef, on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. So we're going to cook pizza tonight. Listen, if you are an Italian, if you are a pizza king, then please ignore how I cook the pizza. No, let's rephrase that. Ignore what I put on the pizza. Yes, Mrs. T?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Because obviously I'm going to make a pizza that we are going to like. But I want to show you the pizza stone that we can have, or that we have now purchased, for the Safari Chef 2 that goes on the Cadac. And there it is. It's a 25 centimetre pizza stone. That's the pizza stone itself. There you go. Look at it. It's very heavy. It is a proper piece of stone. Trust me, it's from Cadac. There you go. Look at that. And that's the pizza stone that we're going to be using tonight to make the pizza. Now, I'm not going to make the dough. You know, that's not going to happen because we're camping. We are camping. So we're going to make it easy. And how are we going to make it easy? Look, we've got some pizza pepperoni slices here from Tesco's. We've got some, what do we call it? Ready rolled pizza dough there from Tesco's. Absolutely perfect. That's ready to roll. We've got some basil. We've got some rocket. We've got some passata here that's got a little bit of garlic in it. Some herbs in there as well. And we've got some grated cheese here. Now, if you're going to do this and you've got the family here, make an event of this. Put lots of things on there. Put chilies, put peppers, put mushrooms, lots of things on the table, and let people build their own pizza, and they can be part of the cooking here.
This is what we like.
Yeah, this is what we like. So this is what we're going to do.
That basil smells lovely.
It does actually, yeah. So we're going to turn to the Cadac. Here's the Cadac. Going to take the lid off. This is going to be our pizza oven, okay? So Cadac Safari Chef 2 now is going to become a pizza oven. We're going to take the lid off, and the pizza stone is actually going to sit on here. So we've got the fat catcher there, and we've got the griddle on the top there that you can put a kettle or a saucepan, and then we're going to lay the pizza stone on the top there, and you can see what will happen. The gas will come up, heat that pizza stone, and that's going to be ready for us to cook. And then what we do is, to prepare it, we pop the lid on, and we will actually bring the temperature up in that little pizza oven. That stone will get really, really hot, and we can cook that pizza. So what we're going to do now, we're going to prepare the pizza, and I'm going to show you how we can get round that and how we do that with the pizza stone. So I'm just going to prepare a few things, and we're going to come back to you again in a second. Okay, look, there is the packaging for the pizza dough. And what I've done is I've unwrapped it here. Now, if we had a larger Cadac, this would be perfect for it, because as you can see, it's already rolled and made circular. But that's a little bit too big for the Safari Chef 2. So I'm going to do something really basic. I'm going to pop that on the top. And there is going to be a little bit of wastage here, so I do apologise, but we need to do that. And I'm just going to cut round that pizza stone all the way round, just to make sure that that is going to be the right size for us to pop on later on this evening once we've made that pizza. So there you go. That is big enough now to make our pizza. I might reuse that later on and make a mini pizza. Okay, so that now is ready for us to build our pizza. So what we're going to do now is we're going to prepare the Cadac and get that pizza stone warming up whilst we make that pizza and get it ready to pop on there. So we're going to come back to you again in just a second. Okay, so look, Cadac's on. We've got the fat catcher, we've got the little support there, and we're going to pop that on the top there, and that flame is going to heat that stone up. So we're going to turn that into a mini oven, pop that on the top, and that is all going to come up to a really hot little mini pizza oven, and that stone's going to get hot. Excuse me. and we'll come back to you again in a second. Okay, so now I've stopped coughing.
Yeah, an excuse to drink wine.
Cheers, everybody. Right, so we're going to prepare the pizza. So that's the pizza dough that comes from Tesco's. This is the passata. Now, this is just a basic tomato passata that's got garlic and herbs in it. So we're just going to use that as our base on the pizza. So we're just going to pop that there onto there and just move that round. Now, I'm sure if there are some pizza chefs out there, you'd be screaming at me going, what are you doing? Well, I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm making a tin tender pizza. That's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm not Domino's or whatever pizza.
Yeah, other pizzas are available.
Yeah, other pizzas are available. I'm doing a tin tender pizza. Now, look, you can see that's got the herbs in it. You can see that's a really nice passata. So that's my tomato base there, just there. Okay, absolutely lovely. So what are we going to do? We're going to pop some cheese on the top of that. And again, if you're Italian or you make pizzas, you're going to go, grated cheddar, what are you doing? And I'm saying, well, it's a tin tender pizza, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put some grated cheddar on there as well. And don't forget, use as many different things as you can. Make it a real family occasion. Turn around and have all the dishes on there so everybody can make their own pizza. Make it a real event, and this could be really fabulous. Right, and then we've got a little bit of pizza pepperoni here, so I'm just going to open those. Again, good old Tesco's. Fabulous, guys. I'm just going to take some of those pepperoni slices and pop those on the top there, like that. Now, you're not telling me that doesn't look like a pizza that you can buy in the shops, you take home and you cook at home in your own oven. What's the difference? There you go. And the annoying thing is, I've got some chilies at home because I was going to put some chilli on here as well.
Oh, you've got chilies in the van. You did bring them.
Did I bring the chilies?
Do you want me to get them?
Oh, okay. But hold on a second. Yeah, we will put the chilies on there. I thought we'd actually forgot the chilies.
No,
so,
I've got the chilies. I
so
remember there they are.
Look,
I think.
Look at that fresh basil. We're going to put some fresh basil on the top there as well. Again, I've got no idea if I'm doing this right, but this is a tin tender pizza.
Right, bear with me. I've got to get the chilies.
Okay. Okay, look, I've got me chilli, lovely fresh chilli, which I didn't think I had, but Mrs. T obviously told me I had.
No, you put it in there, but you forgot you put it in there.
I know, it's my age. I'm just going to slice that up there, just to get some nice chilies there. And I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top, just to give it a little bit.
It's not going to blow my brains out, is it?
I doubt it,
oh,
nothing
good.
does. There we go, pop that on there. I think we need a little bit more chilli on there as well. And as I said, you know, use whatever you want to use. Put on here whatever you want to put, and just make it your own fabulous pizza. There you go. We're ready.
What was the rocket for?
The rocket is so when we serve it up, you
All
can
right.
have it with a bit of rocket salad.
Well,
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Just
Okay,
checking.
brilliant. All right. So what we're going to do now is to move that onto the pizza stone once it's really hot and ready to roll, and then we can see how we do. So let's move over to the Cadac. Okay, so we're going to check how hot the stone is. So let's take the lid off quickly and then just do a quick wine test. See, look, that is really, really hot. So that's really good. So what we need to do now...
Have you told... You're going to have to tell them that it was fun.
Okay, this... we tried to get it off the board, which was on the paper. And
you should have taken the paper off before you cut round it.
So this is going to be fun, but honestly, I think it's going to work. But if it doesn't, you know, you guys, you've got to live with me.
Do you want the fish slice?
No, we're going to...
Really?
We're going to go like this onto that stone. There we go.
Woohoo! Well done.
I've done it. I'm putting the lid back on. That's the pizza. There you go. Ta-da! Right. I think we just need to leave it under there now for about half an hour. So I think we need to leave it under there now for half an hour or a couple of weeks. Who knows? But no, we're going to leave it there for 5 minutes. Let's give it 5 minutes underneath the dome and see what happens. And then we'll come back to you. So 5 minutes.
Can we not do 2 minutes then 2 minutes then 1 minute?
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Let's do 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes time. We'll come back to you and see what's happening.
Thanks.
Right. Here we go. 2 minutes later. That's 3. Hang on. 2 minutes later. Okay. Let's have a look. Wow. Okay. You can actually see, look, it's cooking. That's looking good. It's going a bit crispy around the edges. That's nice. You've got the cheese melting. You've got the tomato coming on there. You've got that. Oh, it just looks wonderful.
Nice, actually. Oh, look,
smells,
it's
sizzling away.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant. So pop that back on. We'll go for 2 more minutes, yeah?
Yep.
Right, 2 more minutes and we'll come back to you and we'll see what the pizza looks like on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. Okay, so here we go. Look at that. That is a yummy looking pizza. I think we are just there. That cheese is gone. You can see the base is crispy and we're ready to roll. Now, what I forgot to tell you is when I put this on, I turned the Cadac right down to low because all you need to do is just keep that heat on that stone. You don't need to make the stone any hotter. Going to take this off now and pop it on to the board. That seems to be just a little bit stuck there, but let's just get that off there. One thing I did forget to do, which they do say do, is to put
semolina.
On onto the base, or onto here, just to keep it so it doesn't stick. So it's just stuck a little bit.
Okay.
But look at that. That looks brilliant. Let's bring that over here. And that is ready to cook. Oh, absolutely.
To eat even.
Yeah, ready to eat.
That's lovely.
Absolutely. Nice, crispy. I'm salivating again. Pizza base there. You can see.
That was a success, wasn't it?
That was a success. That was really good. That was absolutely perfect. So there you go. That is a pizza on a Cadac Safari Chef 2. Little sprinkle, a rocket when you serve that up there. What a perfect meal to have in an evening. It's great for the summer, and here we are in autumn. It's just starting to rain. What a perfect meal to munch on underneath the wind out as it's trickling down with rain on an autumnal evening. So there you go. Look, all I can say to you, if you've enjoyed that and found that really, really interesting, please give me the thumbs up, or give us the thumbs up. Me and Mrs. T would really appreciate it, wouldn't we?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. And don't forget, please hit that red button and subscribe, because the more of you that subscribe, the more of this sort of thing we can bring you. Don't forget, you can make any type of pizza you want. Okay, you can have mushrooms, you can have peppers, you can do vegetarian versions of this, all sorts. So just to recap, you've got the pizza stone on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. Heat it up, turn it down low, put your pizza on the top, sit it there for 4 minutes. There's 4, I can never count. 4 minutes, and then we're okay and ready to go. Look, thanks very, very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.